Hello everyone, and thanks for your watching first. And in this video, I'm going to share with you a very interesting differential equation with infinite terms of different derivatives. And you can see this guy, and you can see the right hand side. It consists of the first derivative, second, third, and so on. And let's see how we can solve it. So how about we first differentiate both sides with respect to x. So the left hand side will become dy over dx. Okay, I use a thinner pen. Okay, sorry. Equals. And the right hand side, the first one becomes the second derivative. And then the third one. And then the fourth one. And so on. So you can now see dy dx is equals to this summation. So we can replace the original equation, the red box part, by dy dx. So now the equation becomes y equals dy over dx plus dy over dx. And this greatly simplifies our equation. So now it becomes a very simple first order differential equation. So let's separate the variables. I will do the half here, and then the left hand side with dx, and then 1 over y on the right hand side, and then dy. So now we integrate both sides. So the left hand side becomes half x equals the right hand side becomes the natural log of y plus c. Yeah. So now, how can we make y be the subject? Okay, now I can move the plus c. In fact, I can plus c on the left hand side first. Yes, like this. So now I can raise up the left hand side to the power of e. C plus half x on the exponent, and then equals y. So now y becomes e to the power of c times e to the power of half x, which is equal to, I can replace e to the power of c by another constant, a times half x. So now we already solve y as a function of x. So let's check our answer. On the left hand side we have y originally, which is equal to a times e to the power of half x. And then the right hand side we have the first derivative. So we differentiate this guy, which is equal to a times half e to the power of half x plus the second derivative. We differentiate one more time, which is equal to a times the half square multiplied by e to the power of half x plus, and the third one is the same, the power of 3 for the half, and then multiplied by the same thing, and then plus dot 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 dot. And then now we have the common factor, half a, and the e exponent term. So we factorize a and e to the power of half x in the front. So in the bracket we have half plus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 8 plus dot dot dot. So notice that this part is the sum of geometric sequence to infinity. So now we can apply the formula for sum to gs to infinity, a over 1 minus r. So in the front we still copy this guy, and then the first term is half over 1 minus the common ratio is the second term over the first term, which is 1/2 also. So this guy will become 1, and then it becomes a times e to the power of half x, which is equal to the left hand side. And I hope you guys will enjoy this video, and if you like this video, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for your watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.